Welcome everyone to our Sixth Form Assembly for the week commencing the 7th of June. Now this Friday, students who are studying AS subjects and A-level subjects will have the opportunity to see their provisional centre determined grades before we finally submit these to the examination board. And a report containing provisional centre determined grades will be sent via email to your school email account by 11 AM on Friday the 11th of June. Now it's important to stress that these centre determined grades are for GCSE, AS and A-level subjects only. If you're a Year 12 student who studies a BTEC or a Level 3 diploma or certificate, you will not receive a centre determined grade. If you're a Year 13 student who studies these qualifications, you will receive your results in August for these. You will not receive centre determined grades for these subjects. Now if you receive your centre determined grades and you want to appeal, there are 3 stages to this process, and Mr. Jenkins has outlined these in his letters to you. There's a stage 1 centre review, which is pre-results day in August. There's a stage 2 appeal to the WJC, which is after your results are issued in August. And there's a stage 3 Qualifications Wales exam procedures review. Now, as grades are awarded based on a holistic or best fit judgment underpinned by evidence, there's no WJC review of marking or reviews of moderation service. The focus of the review is on the holistic grading judgment rather than the marking of individual assessments or pieces of work. And qualification grades in summer 2021 are determined on a holistic judgment using a grade-based system rather than a mark-based system. So you will only receive grades, you will not receive marks for individual components. Now a centre review or appeal to the WJC may result in your grade remaining the same. It may be raised or it may be lowered, so it's important to remember that. Now if you believe there's an error with the provisional grade you're given, you can request something called the decision making record, and details of how to request this will be published in the report you receive on Friday from Mr. Jenkins that will be emailed to you. It's very important that you read the guidance and meet the deadlines stated on this report. Now if after receiving the learner decision making record you still believe an error has been made, you may then request this stage 1 appeal, which is called a centre review. And if you do this, you must make clear the grounds for the review. Appeals will not be accepted on the grounds of just a difference of opinion. Now it's important in preparation for your results on Friday that you read the letters that Mr. Jenkins has sent you by email, and on Friday it's important that you read the guidance that comes along with your centre determined grades, because that will tell you all the important deadlines and what to do if you want to appeal any grades. Now this half term we have 6 weeks, we have 3 weeks of lessons, and then we have 3 weeks of a collapsed timetable for you to complete key elements of the Welsh Baccalaureate. Now when you receive your results on Friday, we don't want students to make snap decisions about which subjects to drop. We would like you to use the next few weeks to try out the different subjects so you can make an informed decision about which subjects you want to take in Year 13. If you do decide you want to drop a subject, you come and see myself or Miss Jones and we will explain to you what you need to do. Now this half term there's going to be an increasing focus on helping you make careers decisions. We want you to carry out research into what sorts of courses you may be interested in studying at university and what sort of apprenticeships or school leavers programs you may be interested in applying for. Now lots of organisations and companies are running events and work experience programs over the next few weeks and months to help both Year 12 and Year 13 students make informed career decisions. Now one such organisation that runs great opportunities for sixth formers is Young Professionals, and they have a virtual work experience programme taking place between the 22nd of June and the 26th of June. And there are major companies taking part in this: IBM, PwC, Rolls-Royce, Capgemini, etc. And I've emailed out details of how you sign up for this excellent opportunity. Now another company offering fantastic work experience opportunities this year is Radyr. I've emailed details of these. For example, they have a software work experience program taking place in August. They also have a commercial work experience program taking place at the end of July, and this commercial work experience program is ideal for anyone interested in business, finance, human resources, law, sales, marketing and IT. Please check your emails for further details of how to apply. Now, if you're looking for work experience opportunities, I recommend you check out the Speakers for Schools virtual work experience platform. This platform works by you signing up for it and registering for an account, and then you have access to all the different opportunities on the website, and you apply via this website. So they have a whole range of opportunities taking place over the next few weeks and months. Now, another opportunity that I've mentioned previously and sent details via email is this ITV Masterclass, and this takes place on the 10th of June, and this is an excellent opportunity to find out about the different career opportunities and pathways available at ITV. It tells you the different steps a young person can take to make their way into the sector, and ITV in particular, and it discusses the different skills, qualities and attributes that companies such as ITV look for, and gives an insight into the recruitment process. So check your emails for further details and sign up for this opportunity taking place this week. Now, you should be aware from my emails and previous assemblies that there's a company called UK University and Apprenticeship Search that run careers fairs. They run in-person careers fairs and they run virtual careers fairs. And on Wednesday the 16th of June between 12 and 6 they have a virtual careers fair that you can attend, and this will give you access to a load of webinars from universities and companies, and you will get guidance on personal statements, on degree apprenticeships, on student finance, etc. So check your emails for details of this and sign up so you can attend this event on Wednesday the 16th of June. Now, our Radyr Careers webinars continue this half term. On Tuesday the 8th of June at 5 p.m. we have a fantastic webinar for students who are interested in humanities courses and careers. We have a former student, Emma Nolan, who now works for the Welsh Government, and she'll be talking about what it's like to study a humanities course at university. She studied history and international relations at university before doing a master's at Bristol University, and she'll talk about the different career pathways open to students interested in humanities subjects. So that takes place on Tuesday the 8th of June. Now, on Wednesday the 9th of June at 5 p.m. we have a fantastic careers webinar from PwC, one of the world's biggest companies, and they'll be talking about apprenticeships, degree apprenticeships, graduate programs that they offer, and work experience opportunities. So if you're a student who's interested in business, economics, accounting, IT or finance or even management, this is a fantastic opportunity. So please sign up for this. Check your emails for further details. Now, on Tuesday the 15th of June, all students in Year 12 will be off timetable for the morning, and you will spend the morning with your form tutor as you'll be having a careers workshop. And in this workshop, you will be doing work on personal statements that you can use for apprenticeship applications, school leavers programs applications, and university applications. And on the same day at 5 p.m, we have a fantastic talk from Alex Williams, who is a former Radyr student. And Alex is now a director at NHS England, and he'll be talking about his work organising the supply of medicines and vaccination programme in England in response to COVID. So if you're a student who's interested in medicine or any healthcare career, this is an excellent opportunity to find out firsthand about what it's like to be involved in organising the NHS vaccination programme. Now, on the 22nd of June at 6 p.m, we have a fantastic talk from Steve Minney, who is Head of Student Recruitment at Swansea University, and Steve will be talking to parents and students about key aspects of the UCAS process, from choosing university courses, the application process, writing personal statements, etc. Now, this is our main UCAS presentation from a university this year, so if you are interested in applying for university, I would expect you to attend this talk. Now, on Thursday the 24th of June at 5 p.m, we have a fantastic talk from Zoe Gilvia, a former student who is now an Olympic team manager for Team GB. And Zoe will be talking about her experiences of studying sports science at university and the huge range of career opportunities for students who study PE and sport at sixth form and sport-related degree courses. Now Zoe will be jetting out to Japan for the Olympics soon after she speaks to us, so this is also a fantastic opportunity to learn more about the work she's involved in for Team GB. And please check your emails if you're interested in attending this talk, and you need to register on our Eventbrite site, and then we will send you the Teams link for this. Now lots of universities are running some great webinars at the moment. So USW run Monday motivational masterclasses, and on the 7th of June they have an engineering masterclass, they have an early years and education taster lecture, and they have a sport masterclass which is aimed at rugby coaching and performance analysis. So please check your emails for further details of how to sign up for these. Now USW are also running a series of information, advice and guidance webinars. So on Thursday the 10th of June they have a UCAS webinar. On the 24th of June they have a webinar devoted to helping students write an effective personal statement. And on Thursday the 8th of July they have a student life webinar. So check your emails for further details of how to sign up for these. You can also check out their Twitter feed and also their webpage for further details of how to book a place on these webinars. Now another university that are putting on lots of webinars at the moment is the University of Bath, and they are running a series of webinars every Thursday to support students and parents with information and skills sessions to help students make competitive applications for university. So again, check your emails for further details of how to sign up for these. Now Cardiff University also have lots of events taking place over the next few weeks and months. So for example, between the 6th and 8th of July, they have a series of panels and workshops and discussions for students interested in STEM subjects. So during the school day, there will be up to 5 sessions aimed at demonstrating the career pathways that have their foundations in STEM subjects. And there'll be sessions for physics and astronomy, computer science, chemistry, maths, pharmacy, pharmaceutical science, social science, bioscience, archaeology, psychology, earth and environmental science and engineering. So this looks a great series of webinars, so please check your emails for details of how to sign up for these. Now another university that have lots of events and summer schools and taster sessions that you can sign up for is Swansea University. If you're interested in physics, they have a particle physics masterclass which is taking place on Tuesday the 8th of June. Please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this, and the session takes place from 9:30 till 12:30. So this looks another great opportunity from Swansea University. Now Swansea University are also offering a great range of virtual summer schools this year, and these are running between the 12th of July and the 15th of July, and you can see they have a whole range of subjects that they're offering: accounting and finance, biosciences, business management, chemistry, computer science, criminology, economics, engineering, education, law, languages, mathematics, etc. So please check your emails for further details of how to sign up for these. Now in addition to these summer schools, Swansea have been running lots of webinars over the last few weeks and months. Now one series of webinars that they've run is called the Current News series of webinars. And even though these are finished, you can still watch these webinars as they are hosted on their website. So please check your emails for further details. The website that hosts these webinars is shown on this slide. Now I've also sent details recently of these 2 events which are being organised by an organisation called Girls into Geoscience. They have a virtual field trip event which is taking place on the 28th of June. And they also have a careers and workshop day which takes place on the 29th of June. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up to this. Now I've also sent details recently of these fantastic opportunities for students who are interested in creative careers. There's events for radio training, there's a screen and film session, there's a creative writing session, and there's a creative act session. And these are being run in conjunction with the Wales Millennium Centre, so please check your emails for details of how to sign up for these. Now if you're a student who's interested in medicine or any healthcare career, please check your emails for details of this fantastic event that is being put on by the Widening Access to Medicine Mentoring Scheme at Cardiff University School of Medicine. It's a 2-day conference and it takes place on Saturday the 12th of June and Sunday the 13th of June, and it aims to inspire and support the next generation of doctors in Wales. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this fantastic event. Now, I've sent emails previously and mentioned in Assembly that the SERIN Network are running support sessions to help students prepare for the UCAT exam, which is an entrance exam for medicine and dentistry. If you are interested in attending these sessions, I will need to know this week at the very latest, because I need to give the names of the students who are taking part to the SERIN Network. So please email me if you haven't already. I already have 10 people who've signed up for this and I only have 12 spaces, so you will need to email me straight away if you want to take part. Now, the SERIN Network are also running admission test preparation sessions between the 28th of June and the 9th of July. So if you're a member of the SERIN Network, I've emailed details of these. You have to sign up at the link that is displayed on this slide and that I've emailed. Please don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Now, if you're a student who's interested in applying to Oxford or Cambridge, the last session from Churchill College takes place on Wednesday the 16th of June between 5 and 6:30, and these sessions aim to help students make a competitive application to either Oxford or Cambridge. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up to this. Now, there are lots of great websites that have been launched recently to support students in sixth form, and one such website has been put together by the Welsh Government in partnership with Welsh universities, and this website is called University Ready, and it's hosted on the Open Learn platform of the Open University. And this website has lots of information to support students with supercurricular activities and also well-being, mental health, study skills, student life, everything you need to know about applying to university. So it's a really good resource. So please check your emails for further details of this. Now, as I mentioned previously, we recommend that students undertake supercurricular activities, and this is a great time to undertake these at the moment as your learning tasks are finished. Now, supercurricular activities are these activities that you undertake to explore subjects beyond what you study as part of a syllabus. And this will show a company or a university that you have an interest in a subject that extends well beyond what you study in school. It also shows a university or a company that you're an independent learner, and supercurricular activities are great for helping you make career decisions. Now, a platform that will be really useful to you is the Open Learn platform from the Open University, because they have lots of free courses that you can sign up for that will help you explore different subjects, which will be really useful when making career decisions. So check out the Open Learn platform. I've emailed you about this. Now, the other platform we recommend you look at is the Future Learn platform. Now, Future Learn hosts MOOCs. Now, MOOCs are massive open online courses, and they're put together by universities, and they give students a flavour of what it would be like to study a subject at university. These are free, and they're a great way of finding out whether a particular subject or course might be suitable or interesting for you. So as it's our focus this half term to support you with careers, I just want to finish by mentioning our Radyr Sixth Form Careers website, which is called Next Steps. I'd like you all to check it out this week. You can access this website from the main school website by clicking on the Sixth Form section, and then it comes up Radyr Sixth Form Careers website Next Steps, or you can just find it by putting Next Steps and Radyr Sixth Form into Google. Now, this website contains lots of information for students interested in applying to university. It contains a section for early applicants, so medics, dentists, vets, and students interested in Oxford and Cambridge. There's also an employment section, and there's also a section on other opportunities. So this hosts lots of videos and resources to help you as you research the next steps after leaving sixth form. So please check this website out this week. I think it will be really useful to you. Hope everyone has a fantastic week, and if you have any questions or need any support in terms of careers, or you're worried about the centre determined grades, please chat to your form tutors or the sixth form team, because we're here to support you and help you.